Do you want cooperation with the people around you? If yes, this video is for you. Welcome back to the series of the book synopsis of How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. We have completed 15 chapters from this book and entering into 16th chapter. And what is the 16th chapter? 16th chapter is how to get cooperation. How to get cooperation. Many people usually have much more faith in their own ideas to implement than the ideas which are being given by others to be implemented. Isn't it? Yes. So, isn't it a bad idea to throw your ideas, to implement your ideas on others? Yes. So, one of the students of Dale Carnegie came to Dale Carnegie and asked, "Sir, we require your help to encourage our sales team because these people are not doing well and not cooperating with anyone in the company." Dale Carnegie accepted it and went for the presentation. All sales people sitting in the room, and before start of his presentation, Dale Carnegie asked, "What you are expecting from this presentation? What are your ideas?" And many people given their ideas. "I'm expecting this, I'm expecting that, I'm expecting this, I'm expecting this way." All these things has been written by Dale Carnegie on the blackboard. And then Dale Carnegie said, "I'm going to give you all these things which are being asked by you, but what can I expect from you?" Then people replied, sincerity, honesty, optimism, all these things they have replied. Then the session was ended with full satisfaction and full enthusiasm. And entire salespeople were happy and they started cooperating with everyone in the company. What Dale Carnegie did, he did only what they want, and he did implemented their ideas instead of implementing his own ideas in the presentation. Likewise, Dale Carnegie has given a beautiful example of Eugene Wesson. Eugene Wesson was making some sketches for textile industries, for stylists and textile manufacturers. He used to design a very beautiful sketches. One of the premium fashion designing company asked him to come to this company and show his sketches, and Wesson went there and showed their sketches. And he has shown his entire sketches to the company, but the decision maker hasn't decided. They has rejected him. He has rejected many times. Around 150 failures, Mr. Wesson understood, "Oh my God, I have to change my approach to this company." And he has changed his approach and went with unfinished sketches to the company and met the decision maker and said, "I'm unable to make out these sketches for your company. Could you please help me give your ideas to complete these sketches?" And this fellow started giving his own ideas to implement on the sketches, and Mr. Wesson has implemented his ideas on the sketches and completed the sketches. And this time Mr. Wesson didn't sold these sketches to him, but he has bought all the sketches because he was thinking, "Oh my God, these are all my ideas." So at lastly, Mr. Wesson has got cooperation from this company. That is why the principle of this chapter is, let the other person feel that the idea is his or hers. Let the other person feel that the idea is his or hers. Let people think about it. Okay, this is my idea. Then you will get cooperation from the people, isn't it? This is all about how to get cooperation. Until then, Lakshmikant signing out. We will meet again. Stay tuned.